Now I'm going to show you how you can enable property search from within your organization's Facebook page. First off, you're going to want to go to facebook.com/zoomprospector. Once you're on our Facebook page, you will see options to install applications for both property search and for demographics. We're going to go and choose the option to install the application for property search. Now on the installation page, this takes you through several steps. The first step is to enter the name of the organization or the area that you serve. And what this does is this determines the area that any visitors to your Facebook page will be able to search for properties in. So if you are a GIS planning client, you can enter your organization name here and select anything that appears in the drop-down list once you start typing. Alternately, if you're not a GIS planning client, you can enter a city or a county for which we have properties. And once we've done that step, we can select featured properties. This is an optional feature. If you have any properties that you want to highlight on your page, you can do that here. And you do this by going to zoomprospector.com and finding a property report. Once you've located a property report that you want to highlight, you look in the URL. There are a few numbers that you will need to take note of here. Right after PID equals, there will be a few digits before the ampersand. Make note of those and record them in the property ID section. You can feature up to 3 properties on your page. The next step allows you to upload a banner image for your organization. This again is an optional step. Be aware that if you want to upload a banner to customize your page, you will need to size it at exactly 518 pixels wide, and you can do this using any photo editing program. The next step is to enter your contact information, and be aware that when you're entering your contact information here, this is what you will be comfortable having anyone who visits your page being able to view. So if you don't want to input your phone number here to have anyone call you, then you should not. And any field that you leave blank will not appear on your Facebook page. So I'm going to save and continue. And next you have the option to add the application to any Facebook page for which you are an administrator. And if you don't see any options here, you should consult with your staff to see if there is already a Facebook page for your organization. And if so, you should ask your staff to make you an administrator. So here I have an option, so I'm going to choose to install for the Anytown Economic Development page, for which I am already an administrator. I'm going to click Save and Continue. And now I have a message that the Property Search tab has been added to my Facebook page, and it provides me a link to go to that page. Next, I am asked whether I want to add the application. I'm going to say yes. And here I am at my Facebook page. And in addition to the tabs for the wall, the info, the photos, and the discussions, there is a tab option for properties. And you can reorder these tabs on your page as you see fit. So here now we have property search within the Facebook page. And you can see here the featured properties are showing up. Each one will link to a property report on zoomprospector.com. Contact information is showing. And from here we can specify any criteria. We can specify the property type, the size, whether the units, square feet, or acres, for sale or for lease, and run a property search. So it's just that easy to install property search from within a Facebook page.